What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's the Vette here. I have another mod to install for y'all today, and I just want to show y'all it's the Novistretch front clear bra for the front of the car for going on long road trips, and the side mirror covers as well. So link will be in the description below if y'all are interested in buying those for your car. Definitely will help with the bugs and, you know, the road grime and stuff hitting back on the car whenever you're going on those long road haul trips. But let's go ahead, let me show you how to put it on. All right, so it's gonna come in this type of container box here, okay? Shows you the front of it, and then here's the side mirror ones as well. So you'll both get those. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and turn your wheel all the way to one side, because what you're gonna have to do first is access these three T15 Torx screw bits here. So you'll be taking those three out and replacing them with the supplied ones that have the little button, so you can just pop it in place. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, once those are out, go ahead and install the new push pin ones. They look like this. All right, those bolts are in, so go ahead, go to the other side, turn the wheel, and do the same exact thing for the other one. And voila, there you have it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, there is two underneath the front that are gonna need to come out as well. And it's a 7mm bolt that you'll have to unscrew, one right there, one right there. That's probably where it is. So go ahead and take those out, replace them with the supplied ones. Then you're go ahead and good to go and put the cover on there. But as long as you do those side ones first, you'll be good. So let's do that. All right, go ahead, take the ends that are supposed to be popped in, go ahead and pop them in, right in place. They'll just pop right in, just like so. Go ahead and stretch it over. All right, so once those are in, let's go ahead and do the bottom portion now. All right, the three bolts are bolted in underneath. Three bolts are on each side. So go ahead, we're almost finished here. Make sure to stretch over the cover in the appropriate parts. So it will pull and stretch. So make sure it goes over your spoiler, your front lip, if you have that extra you know, stage 1 or stage 2 spoiler there. Make sure it goes all the way over. As you can see, it's almost finished, so come around, do it to the other side. Okay, now the last part is you'll need to open the hood, because we have to do a couple other things. Take those out. Just kind of put them to the side. All right, guys, so there's a little latch right here. This little piece that you'll see, there's a little part where you're gonna put over this on that wrap, and I'll show you right here. So this part right here, if you can kind of see that, see how it's got a little space in there? So you're gonna grab it, pull it, stretch it, and it's gonna go right over this spot like so. Make sure to put this cover back though. Okay, so same thing here. go ahead and take this piece off, this gray one. Just pop it out. Put it to the side. This little part right here, that's what's gonna end up latching onto this thing. Okay, so grab your part right there. See how it's got that opening? Don't be afraid, you gotta kind of pull it, place it right over onto this groove right there. Make sure it's on all the way. So then go ahead, get your little cover there, put it back. All right, so once those are all good, go ahead, close your hood, and you're all ready to go on your trip, at least for the front end. So that's what the front end's gonna look like. We're gonna put the mirrors on in just a second, but that's what the front end is gonna look like. Hopefully it'll protect most of the front on the long trips out of town for the most part. But I'd say overall, I say it's pretty good. All right guys, so here is the side mirror ones. Now what you're pretty much gonna do is go ahead, fit it on. All right guys, well there it is, kind of pretty much there. And you know, you'll have to adjust the side mirror, the mirror actually itself, to get this fully behind it, but that's pretty much what it'll look like on there once you have it completely on, and it will protect the mirrors from any bugs or rocks or any dirt grind while you're on there. So that's pretty much what it'll look like there. Hopefully you know, it'll help me out when I go on the long hauls there, so but we'll see. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Links will be in the description below, like I said, if y'all are interested in doing it. Hope everybody's having an awesome day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Until that is there, Rogue Vette out. Peace.